There's a dish from Indonesia that turns simple leftover rice into something truly unforgettable. Smoky, savory, slightly sweet, and layered with flavors you probably never expected from fried rice. This is Indonesia's legendary comfort food. Today, we're making authentic Indonesian Nasi Goreng special. Welcome to Nusantara Flavor Lab, where we explore the flavors, stories, and cooking traditions of Indonesia and bring them into kitchens around the world. Today, we're starting with one of Indonesia's most iconic dishes. The story of Nasi Goreng began centuries ago through trade, migration, and cultural exchange across Asia. Chinese traders introduced a cooking technique that changed the way rice was used forever. Instead of throwing away leftover rice, it was stir-fried in a hot wok with simple ingredients. When this technique reached the Indonesian archipelago, local cooks began adapting it using native spices and ingredients. And one ingredient changed everything: sweet soy sauce. Its rich, sweet flavor created a completely different style of fried rice. Today, nasi goreng is one of the most beloved comfort foods in Indonesia, from humble street stalls to restaurant kitchens across the country. And today, we're going to make an authentic version right here in our own kitchen. In Indonesia, fried rice isn't just one dish. There are many variations, from spicy street food versions to simple home-style family recipes. But Nasi Goreng Special is one of the most iconic. It usually comes with a fried egg on top, and simple sides like crackers and fresh vegetables. A perfect balance of texture, aroma, and flavor. And today, we're cooking it completely from scratch. Let's start with the ingredients. First, you'll need cooked rice. Day-old rice works best because it's drier and separates easily when stir-fried. For aromatics, we'll use garlic and shallots. We'll also add chicken for extra flavor and protein. An egg gives the fried rice a richer texture. But the most important ingredient is sweet soy sauce. It adds sweetness, depth, and that signature dark color. Green onions bring freshness and aroma. Once everything is ready, we can start cooking. The flavor of nasi goreng begins with simple aromatics: garlic and shallots. Traditionally, they're crushed together to release their natural oils. Before cooking, it's important to prepare everything first. Start with the chicken. Cut it into small bite-sized pieces. Next, prepare the green onions. Slice them thinly for freshness and aroma. Crack one egg into a small bowl. If your rice is clumped together, gently loosen it with a fork. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much easier. Because once we start cooking, everything moves quickly. Now it's time to cook. Heat a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and shallots to the hot oil. Stir gently until the aroma fills the kitchen. You want them lightly golden, fragrant, and slightly caramelized. This aromatic base is what gives nasi goreng its signature flavor. Add the chicken first. Cook it until lightly browned. Next, add the egg. Quickly scramble it into the chicken. Now add the rice. Break it apart so the grains separate evenly. Then add the sweet soy sauce. Stir everything together until the rice becomes rich and caramelized. Finish with the green onions and give everything one final toss. What makes great fried rice truly special is something called wok hei. In Chinese cooking, it means the breath of the wok. It's the smoky aroma created by intense heat and fast cooking. That subtle char gives fried rice its signature depth of flavor. That's why nasi goreng is cooked over high heat. So the rice stays fluffy, slightly smoky, and full of flavor. And that's the secret behind authentic nasi goreng. Now it's time to plate. Spoon the fried rice onto a plate. Shape it gently in the center. Then prepare a sunny-side-up egg. Place the egg right on top. Add fresh cucumber and tomato on the side. And don't forget the crackers for a little crunch. This is classic Indonesian nasi goreng special. Now comes the best part, breaking the egg and letting the yolk mix into the rice. It adds richness and extra flavor. Savory, slightly sweet, and incredibly comforting. A simple dish with unforgettable flavor. And that's how you make authentic Indonesian nasi goreng special. A humble dish with bold flavors and a long culinary history. From the streets of Indonesia to kitchens around the world. Thank you for cooking with Nusantara Flavor Lab.
And don't forget to subscribe for more Indonesian recipes. Thank you.